the airport because I'm going to Palawan. I'm going to Palawan with my college friends. And dapat kasama siya, but sadly hindi. So, I'm just waiting for my friends to arrive here and then mag-check-in na kami and then wait kasi our flight is 7:30, something ganon.
Alam mo yan lang yung nagpasikip sa bag ko. Ano?
Bablog ako eh.
Wala kasi...
Ano, pasok na tayo?
Pasok na kayo.
Paalam na aking mahal. Kay hirap sabihin. So, we just checked in. Yan. Mag-bag drop na lang kami. We're at NAIA Terminal 2. So we're here at our hotel. So this is our hotel, Pearl Vista. Okay, thank you po. Yan, unlock na lang. Wow! Good check. Kain na kami.
Well, arat na. Tatawag. Kung si Zainab arat na ikaw. Let's go!
Let's go! Yan. So, nag-rent sila ng motor.
Hindi pa nakakalayo kasi gusto yung isa.
Si Eli. Mga nag-rent. Core memory. First day, first sugat. Bye! Ingat! So, nakamotor yung dalawa. Then kami.
Alagaan pa. Pasensya.
Wala ka. Right.
Nakatingin ako. Hindi ako kata. Hindi ako sanay magsayahay.
Ba?
Hindi ako sanay. Baka rin.
So, we're here at Dayo Cafe. A famous cafe here in Coron. Wow, it's so nice. Oh, it's so nice. Ganda ng interior nila. Here's our food. Siyempre, picture muna before kumain. Here's our spread. This is my food. Yum. This one too. My food. So we're here at our first stop, Cabu Beach. So nice. Ang peaceful lang nung water. And ang ganda nung mountains. Ang ganda nung mountains.
Di ka nga makangiti.
May kaaway for today.
Ay, hindi ako kaaway.
I like mountain.
So nice.
Hi guys!
Ang ganda. Look.
Here after...
Ay! Yung helmet mo, Eli.
Hi! We're at Makinit Hot Spring. It's our last stop for today. And inambon kami. Ito yung hot springs. Nandun siya. Yan. Nandun yung hot springs. And yeah, we're just gonna stay here for a while. Kasi nga, last stop na namin. And hopefully tumila yung ulan. That's it! And wala ring signal dito, so
Ganun din, nabasaan.
why are you nakasimangot?
Si sadness nga.
Tagal nyo daw kasi.
Why are you nakasimangot?
Aling camera?
So we're back at our hotel. Magsuswim muna kami here for like 30 minutes muna. Then kain kami dinner later and then magpa-party! Party, party! Party, party! This is our food. Bagnet with mango. Our bagnet with mango. So we're here at Matthew's Island Crepe. We're ordering crepes right now. Excuse me po.
Hi! So, this is Lado's Biscuit Crepe.
And
Bumili. And, nakakatakot! Crepe! Maraming nilalagay. Joke lang. Na-pressure! Damihan mo yan.
ano yun, Nutella?
Yeah. Sarap.
Ano naman ito sila? Oh my God. Yan.
Sa mango na.
Mango Nutella! Bingo!
Bingo!
Mango Nutella, guys!
Buy now!
For only 230 pesos, mabubusog ka na. Mango Nutella, pamain. Mag-live.
Nahila yan ha! Nahila yan!
Ayan! May nag-buy na! Ding, 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 ding! We got banana biscoff Nutella.
Unboxing!
Unboxing! Ibang content naman to, hindi live selling. Unboxing! We got mango banana with biscoff sauce. Ah, biscoff sauce! Good for the baby. Good for the baby.
Ito na yung content namin!
Ninang.
Announcing my pregnancy.
Going home. I mean, we're going back to the hotel.
I-reply ka niyo. Tag.
Sa Busuanga Island. And sa Busuanga Island, merong dalawang municipality which is Busuanga and Purod. So,
Hi! It's our second day and we're going island hopping. So, hopefully, maging ganito lang yung weather the whole day kasi gusto talaga namin ma-enjoy. Kanina malungkot na ako kasi naulan na naman pagising but, you know, magaling kasi sila mag-manifest eh. On the way na kami sa boat. I am Coron. So, I think ito yung parang port nila for all the island hoppings. And magpipicture muna kami dito. Group picture. Here's my kasama for today. Let's go!
10.5.
So, dito na kami sa port and we rented a private boat kasi 8 packs kami. Love ako din!
Nangyari ano ako?
Dala naman yung bata. Saka hindi siya.
Ikaw lang, pre?
Bakit na?
May dala tayo, wala? Ha? Kata? Ha? Meron yata. Yata. Hindi ko narinig.
Thank you.
Instruction muna tayo.
Ang
So, ma'am, sir,
ganda.
welcome sa ating first destination.
Snorkel na kami. Andito kami sa Skeleton Shipwreck. And we're getting ready to go down. So, we're gonna eat lunch here. The water is so pretty. So, tapos na kami mag-snorkeling. And may line pa ng mass, but yeah, na-enjoy naman namin. So, kain na kami ng lunch. Oh yeah, so clear. Rice cake. Ikaw, Ben. Hi, guys! Say hi! Oo! One, two, three, go!
Oo, Kanoy.
Asan?
Ganyan din kami ng jowa ko. Away ng away.
Kuya, pabalik na lang po na itong bag namin.
Hindi nagsasawa sa away. Sige ba?
Hello! Hi! Kayak! Kayak!
Hindi, nadulas lang siya. Nakita tayo niya din. Hanggang dito. Katabi pa ng tulo.
Wala naman. Tahila.
Saan to?
Hiwa, hindi bale.
Yung dalawa po.
Wala, ito ang kasayahan ko.